Hi, my name is Trevor Pearson, and this episode of Motorcross 101 is brought to you by CnC Air Filters. It gives you tons of power, and it's only one air filter per day. Hi, my name is Trevor Pearson with the CnC Crash Co race team, and this is Motorcross 101, riders and their sponsorship. We're here today with Chris Foster, a Canadian pro national racer and FMX rider. Chris, what should the amateur racers expect when applying for their sponsorship?
Well, at the beginning, it's definitely more about creating a relationship than simply getting a discount. Sponsors play a huge part in your career once you switch to pro. Until that time, it's more about showing the sponsors that you're the right person or rider for the job to represent them at the track and around the community.
That was a great point. What should the racers expect to have to do for their sponsors to develop their relationship?
First thing to do would be regular race reports. It's your responsibility to keep your sponsors aware of how you're doing. Next thing would be to make sure that everybody knows who your sponsors are and what products they give you or provide you with. On the podium and at the track, you're their employee, don't forget it.
How important are the sponsors for the pro racers?
At a pro level, without sponsors, you're just not competitive. Your sponsors help you afford to stay at the front of the pack. Motocross is a team sport, and your sponsors are a critical part of your team.
I watched you ride last night. You were looking fast, and personally, you're one of my favorite riders. So good luck this weekend and for the rest of the 2012 season.
Thanks, Trev.